everyone, my name is Kim and I'm the Happiest Cook. Today we are in the beautiful city of San Francisco. Having lived here, there was nothing I loved better than on the weekends heading into the city to eat. There's so much great food. One thing San Francisco is known for is their soup served in a bread bowl. And that's what we're up to. So have you got all your things ready to go? I have mine. And like I always say, let's get cooking. Okay, so we'll put our potatoes, our carrots, our parsley, onions, all in the pot. Then we're going to add our garlic. To the pot. We're going to add our bouillon and our salt. And the last thing we're going to add is our chicken broth. You use whatever chicken broth you want to use. There's low sodium. If you don't have chicken broth and you have turkey broth, you can use that. All right. Now, I want you to look in this pot. You want the level of liquid to be above your vegetables, your potatoes and carrots. So I added about 1/3 of a cup more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the stove top and I'm going to cook this for about 20 minutes on high. I'm going to bring it to a boil, then I'm going to lower it down and simmer. Okay, so what we have here is a totally new pan, and we've melted a stick of butter. We're going to add 1/3 of a cup of flour, and we're just going to stir this into the butter. I'm going to go over to the stove and continue to cook this, and then add my milk to it very slowly so you don't get lumps. And what it's going to do is it'll just make this real thick, creamy sauce that we will be adding to our soup base. So let's get this on the stove. The trick to this is mixing it and not letting it get lumpy. Okay, that's all you do. You bring it to a boil and you see it got real thick. And then we're going to turn off this heat. That is creamy potato soup. That turned out really good. These are the bread bowls, the bread bowls that I made this morning. They turned out really good. I am including the recipe for my bread bowls, but I wanted to show you how to cut one. So, let's take this one. All right. This is my sharpest serrated knife. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut the top not too far down, and you want to cut at an angle. So, kind of messy. This dough is not like regular bread dough. It's very dense, makes excellent pizza dough. you just take out the center like that to make room for your soup. Then we are going to brush this with olive oil very lightly and pop them in a hot oven and let this crisp up a little bit on the inside, which it will. Then we'll fill them with hot potato soup, garnish them up, and there you go. We have 2 potato bowls. All right, our soup is done. Our bread bowls have all crisped up real pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and fill these up. So, like there. And then we have all these really fun garnishes. We have green onion. We have cheese. We have a little bit of bacon crumbles. And there we go. We have our potato soup in a bread bowl. It was really fun. I totally love making these, and I always make the little teeny balls for testers, you know, leftover dough. Very yummy. The dough is very, very dense, and it does make great other things like pizza, really good. It's very freezable too. So thank you for joining me today, making our soup in the kitchen. What a great start to our visit here in San Francisco. So we'll be hanging around the city a bit, so check back soon. We'll have another fun recipe we'll be doing here on the Happiest Cook. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.